See the number of examples we will discuss today, because in the last session I explained how to load the driver in JDBC connectivity. Today, how can we establish the connection and everything? See, everything I will write a separate program so that applications you can understand easily. Now here I'm taking, yesterday we have created one folder, my JDBC apps. In a source folder, we created only load driver. Now I'm creating one more in a package, right click new class. I'm taking the class now. The class is connection to DB connection. So anything, database connection, finish. Here it is, the code generated. Everything what we have discussed in the last class, everything I'm just copying here. Everything copying. Only the class is a DB connection is copied everything. Because loading the driver is the same. Loading the driver is the same. Now we need to establish the connection. We need to establish the connection. How can we establish the connection? There is a method called get connection method. Get connection. This method is a static method, belongs to driver manager class. In driver manager class, there is a method called get connection. It's a static method. That's why we are calling using the class name. It is taking 3 arguments. One is a URL, second one is a username, third one is a password of database. But sir, where are these 3? Let me create URL. Next one is a username. And next one is a password. That is, see, my system password is a system database password admin. But I need to explain about URL only. What is URL? We can also call it as connection string also. What is that? JDBC colon is connecting with Oracle database colon using the driver called thin driver. Actually, driver is Oracle driver. The short form of this Oracle is a thin driver. Thin. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin. We have installed Oracle in localhost system only. In the same system we have installed. Colon. Here, which is running at port number is 1521 with the service name XE. Let me explain once again all these things. Here, JDBC, it's an API. JDBC application connecting with Oracle database using the driver. This is the short form of driver name. What we have loaded, thin driver. You have installed in the same system only. Same system means local host system. And next, every application is running at one port number. You will understand slowly. Every application will run with port numbers only. And service name, we have installed Express Edition, so XE is the service name. All these 3 you need to give. So directly also you can pass all these 3 here. Sir, separately uname password I don't want to take. Simply I will copy paste here. And this admin also directly I will copy paste here. This is enough. Driver manager dot get connection. It is showing the error because you need to import that driver manager class. is belongs to SQL package. So it will be imported. Driver manager class is belongs to SQL package. Next, once connection is ready, it will return the connection object. Connection object. Just giving the message is a connection is ready. System.out.println connection is ready. See here again it is showing that error. Connection you need to import is imported connection. Now again it is giving the error. What is that? Chance of getting exception. Which exception? SQL exception. SQL exception chance of getting. So why? Suppose if you are giving any wrong information about the URL, username or password, chance of getting the exception. So handling that exception. Catch SQL exception is even. Then here it is a system.out.println exception. Error is SQL. Sir, why writing all these things? Just simply writing exception. Instead of handling multiple exceptions, single exception. Simply exception. The message we are printing e.get message is easy way of understanding. Handling the exception. Connection is ready. And once it is completed, please close the connection. Working with that, you need to close the connection also. Of course, finally block we need to write that I'll explain. Connection closed. Connected and disconnected simply. This is loading the driver. I already explained. Driver is a translator between the Java application and Oracle database. How to load the driver? Per name is the static method, belongs to the class. It will load the driver. Next, if you want to establish the connection, get connection method is there. In a driver manager class, it's a static method, is expecting 3 arguments. Connection string, username and password. If you are giving all are correctly, it will establish the connection. Else it will raise the exception. Now I'm executing the code. Run as Java application. It will run and it will give you the output. Driver is ready. Next one, connection is ready. Next one, connection is closed. Is the success. So once everything is ready, then we need to start working with the database. Sir, I want to create the table. First of all, I am opening Oracle database. We know all this. Oracle database. I just connected to this one. Sir, why you opened Oracle database means? Let me check account table is there or not. Yes, it is there. Now I am deleting this table. Drop table account. Table deleted na? Now I am checking that account table is present or not. It's not there. Now I want to create this account table. Sir, how to create the account table? Again, one more class we are taking. One more is a third program today. Just right click, new. In this one, I'm creating the name is a create table. Create table is the class name. Finish. Same code na. So I'm not writing, I'm just copy paste. Everything copy paste. But every time separate programs I'm writing so that you can keep every program separately. It's copied everything. Up to here connection is ready. Now, how to create the table? First of all, we need to prepare the statement object. Statement means query, connection object dot. There is a method called create statement. Create statement method is there. Whenever you are calling this create statement, it will return the statement object. Statement st equals to C is belongs to SQL dot statement. Once a statement object is ready, then you can start executing the queries. You can start executing the queries. Sir, where is the query? Where is the query? Prepare the query first. String query equals to create. Table name is account. Account number is integer. Account holder name is a string. Account balance is also integer. We are preparing the query. Generally, this query directly we can execute in the database. But now we are not executing in the database. We have written in Java program. From Java program, we are executing the query in the database. How to execute means in ST, in statement object, there is a method called execute and passing that Q. Q is a query. Or fully, if you want to write the variable, you can write. Just more readable, that's all. Execute query. Just giving that message is table created. Table created. That's it. See here what we are doing. Once connection is ready, we need to create the table from Java application. But from Java application, how can we execute the query? Connection object dot on connection. You need to call one method is a create statement method. Right? What it will return? Statement object it will return. In the statement object, execute one method is there. Execute. One method is there. Right here, you need to pass the query. Just what you want to create, the table you want to create. That's all, finish. Now here, executing. See, driver is ready. Connection is ready. Table created successfully and connection is closed. Connection is closed. Now you can check previously when you are checking describe account means is not there. Now it will show that. Look at this. What we have created there is created now. From Java application, we have created the table in the database. Make sure if table is already there in a database, just open the database and delete the table first. Then create from there. Okay, is the one. This is creating the table. Sir, I just want to delete the table. One more program I am writing. One more program. Any number of classes you can define. Delete table. Delete table I am taking. The same code. Na? Same create table code only for delete table also. All you have to change is what? All you have to change only drop table account. Drop table account and executing the query. If it is successfully executed, table deleted successfully. Now look at this. In database, first we are checking the table is present or not. Yes, it is there. Now I am deleting from here. By executing this code, run as Java application. Look at the output of this code. Table deleted successfully. See, whenever you delete the table, now again you just go and check. Object account does not exist. There is no such table. No? There is no such table. That is. Okay. See here. Now, sir, I want to create the table again. Create table program is already there. Na? Separately you have written. Run this create table program. Now again table created successfully. Now execute this. Again table came. Because we have written code for to create the table and to delete the table separately we have written. Simple way. Got it? The next one. See, this one we need to do with the create statement. Now, sir, I just want to insert the record into the table. Again, separate code I am writing. Taking the class. This is very, very important code. First time. Inserting the record. Inserting the record. Finish. Inserting the record. Necessary code I will collect from this one. Whatever the code is necessary, I just collected. For inserting the record. Driver is ready. Establish the connection. Now inserting the record. But where is the record details? Record details are not there. What are the details? We don't know. First of all, string query is equal to prepare that query first. Insert into account. Values are, we don't know, sir, what are the values because we should read na, using the scanner class. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Sir, why 3 question marks you have given? Because for this one, total 3 columns given. Total 3 columns given. Insert into account table values are 3 question marks. But sir, where are the question marks? I'll explain. Now, previously it's a connection dot create statement. Na? Now it is not connection dot create statement. Connection dot prepare statement. Prepare statement passing the query. It will return that prepared statement object, not a statement object. Prepared statement object, sorry, prepared statement object it will give. Prepared statement object. Sir, prepared statement and statement differences. Prepared statement means whenever you are reading using the scanner class, and if you want to set any values dynamically. So now I want to read scanner class object I'm creating. New scanner class. New scanner class. And we are asking enter account details. Enter account details. Account number num equals to scan dot next integer. Account holder name scan or SC. Name equal to scan dot next of. Balance we have taken integer there, so scan dot next int. All the 3 we have taken. Number, name and balance we have read as an account details. After reading the account details, After reading the account details, these three values we need to set to these three question marks using this PS because we prepared with query. This is the way PS dot set integer. For the first question mark, we need to give the value number. For the second question mark, it's a string. For the second question mark is a name. For the third question mark, balance is nothing but integer. For third question mark is a balance. See, three question marks. First question mark is a number. Second question mark is a name. Third question mark is a balance. The balance is nothing but number, name, and balance. Like this. After setting the values, we are calling the method update method. Execute update is a method. That's all. Sir, if it is successfully inserted, execute update method returns integer value. How many inserted, how many deleted it will return. Count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Just simply count records inserted. Just only one, of course. That one inserted or one record inserted simply. One record inserted. Got it? Execute update. See, once again, I'll explain. Inserting the details means what? The points are, first of all, we need to read the details using the scanner class. Then only we can insert into database. So what are the values you will read from the scanner? We don't know. That's why the three question marks. Insert into account values are three question marks. Three question marks. Okay. With the help of that, we need to prepare statement of query. This is the query directly also you can pass here. Then reading the three values and all three values you need to set to the three question marks 1, 2, 3. Then we can call execute update. How many records updated? It will return the count. Of course, only one record we are inserting, so one will return. But at the time of deletion, you can understand. See insert, run Java application. Look at this in the console, it is asking the details. Enter account details 101, name, and the balance I am giving. Look at this one record inserted successfully. Sir, let me check in the database once. Select star from account. Look at this, the record what you have inserted there in Java, the command inserted into the database. Sir, once again, I will run the code second time because again, I am giving the details 102, the name 7,000, one more record inserted. Sir, again, I am executing the code. Three times I am executing. Three times. Enter account details 103, name, and the balance. Third record also inserted. The same program we are executing three times so that three records will be inserted. Here it is in the database. Now if you check, three records inserted. Three records. See, once connection is ready, what we have to do? Just quickly go through this 1 minute. I'll explain the deletion also. Okay. Now I'm just writing the deletion code, not delete table, just like this. Delete record, I'm writing particular record. Once again, taking the same class, delete specific record I'm taking. Finish. The necessary code I'm taking again. The necessary code I'm taking because the common code everywhere. Delete record. So what I'm doing here, it's not a query, insertion, delete from account where account number is question mark, because particular account we need to delete now. It's the same story. Prepared statement ps is equals to connection dot prepare statement. Connection dot prepare statement. That is the query. Same query we are passing. Delete from account where account number equals to. So no need to read account number, name and balance. Just account number, what you want to delete. Enter account number to delete. Enter account number to delete. That is. So here it is. We are reading that account number. We are setting that one. Only account number we need to set. Only account number we need to set. And once it is completed, we just call execute update. Same for insertion, deletion, updation. Method is execute update method only. Same, it will give that count. But see, if record is there, it will be deleted. It will return count is a 1. Sir, if record is not there, it will return 0. So proper meanings we need to write. If the count is greater than 0, then record deleted. Suppose if count is equals to 0, no such record to delete. Invalid account number, no such account to delete. Got it? Else, then here it is record deleted successfully or account deleted successfully. Account deleted successfully. See how many records deleted it will return. If it is not returning any value, 0 means what? Record is not there. Let me show you in output. Just run in this one. Enter account number to delete. Here only 3 account numbers are there. 101, 102, 102. So if you give 104, you will get error, no such account to delete. Is not there. Suppose if you run and give the value correctly, suppose here it is a 102. 102, yes, record is there, deleted successfully. Here it is. When you are checking here, now 102 record is missing because that you are deleting from the Java application. This is record deletion successful. Insertion, updation, deletion. DB connection, table creation, deleting the table, inserting the record, deleting the record. Practice all these 5. Tomorrow, withdraw how to perform, deposit how to perform, login how to check, register how to check, and all these operations combinedly how can you perform using the CRUD operation, I'll explain. Using the menu driven program, I'll explain. Okay. I'll share this one. You just leave.